Yo, I'm Jeff. This is Mini Garage. Today we're going to get back on the front of the Isuzu, and we ended up pulling all the... So we pulled the fenders back off because there's a little tab that Eli missed, and it really cleaned up this gap really good. So this fender is set right where we want it, and Eli's got more bolts and some paint sticks, and we're gonna get this one set up here. Try to. Then we're gonna get the lights on here so you guys can see what's going on. Let's shut the hood.
So the rule of thumb is have your auto body guy on speed dial to help you.
Yeah, absolutely. But that's the gap we wanted the whole way. And it's nice and it's clean. So we've got a nice gap there and the same gap right there. So that looks a lot better than the big wonky gap that we had. We put all the bolts in the fender so it's not flopping around, so that we can get the grill put in, so that we can pull it all apart and do the inner fender wells. So we'll finish bolting this fender on and we'll turn it back on in a minute. So we got some adjustments done. Got the same nice reveal there. Same gap on this side that we have on the other side. Eli snapped the grill in and it fit. So there's a couple bolts down here in the core support he's got to tighten up, and that'll be the next step. Where are we at, Eli?
So we did the fit and finish alignment of all the gapping, fenders, hoods, and door jambs. I think we're relatively quite a-okay with it, and we will move forward to tightening up the core supports and start looking at the inner fenders and mating those with the core support.
Well, there you go. So we'll start on that and
see where we get.
Yeah, see where we get. So Eli's just about got the core support bolted in there.
We do got it.
We do got it. So now we can pull the grill back out and get to where we know that we're gonna bend these down, these tabs in here, and start tacking this together. Boy, you want to see some light? Yeah, you can see this. Now we'll be able to tack these two pieces together, cut and bend around, and get these to line up here. Now that all this stuff is bolted together, that's all the work we did, so we can bolt all this together so we can make these two one piece.
Checking to see how far we've went back, and of course Gotta love the undercoating that they put on these. All rubberized. Can't quite tell, but I think we're getting there.
Yeah, you're getting pretty close.
Yep. You know, I think that might be. I think we, right where that is.
That's over here. You're right there.
Yeah.
And I think if you cut that down and fold it, yep.
Yeah. So let me. Do we have an exact knife?
There was a blade up there.
Up here.
Yeah. Do you want a? What do you want a razor knife for?
So.
You can cut that off.
Yeah. So just to kind of pull this all back, so it gives us a clear line of sight, and that's kind of what I'm thinking.
So, what we're doing is now we're going to cut some relief cuts in here so this can roll over. We can hammer this down and then tack this to this. Because it's New Year's Eve, and that's what you do on New Year's Eve, right? I sure hope 2021 is way better than 2020 because, you know, we hope to have more videos, more shows, more mini trucks.
More freedom.
More freedom. 2021 on the rise.
Out of. Talking about this corner, just a hair out, so we're going to push that guy up. That looks better than what we were at, so we'll roll with that guy.
You know, we can wait till we get our little sliver for that.
No, because what we'll do is we'll have a blow through, right?
Yeah.
So here's what I'm thinking. Everyone loves copper.
You got your little copper piece?
Yeah, I got my copper piece. They never left. Now, question is, how well can that sit there and get that? Let's see if I can get the best angle for that. Pay up my.
So if you see here, he's got a piece of copper stuffed in there, kind of, because the weld won't stick to it. But then he can pull it up a little bit. It's super hard at this angle. I don't know how it's going to work. We'll find out.
We're willing to try new shit.
Yeah. The other hand.
Well, maybe one of those things that I'm just gonna try. Like that. Cannot do. So to show people basically what it does with the copper, some people say it don't work, some people say it does. I'll leave that up to you guys if that's what you want to use. It's what I use. It works for me. So what do you think? Oh. I think we almost could. Still could be pushing that close to that fill, even
So
even
we've
with the
got
copper.
more tacks to do in here, but for now, that's what we got. That's what we're going for. So look for more on the next episode of Mini Garage. Other than that, Happy New Year, stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Peace. We out.
Hey, I'm Ron, and that was Mini Garage. Before you take off, don't forget to hit up the website, hammeredweekendwear.com, where we have hats like these, banners like those, stickers, and all the swag you need to support our show. Thanks for tuning in.
It's raining. It's Oregon. It's always raining in Oregon.
It never rains in Oregon. It's a myth.